All right, here we go. We are here with the
V/White versus General from France.
What stage are we at?
Luxembourg.
Okay, and what stage of the tournament are we at?
We're at winners finals.
Winners finals, everybody.
Top 3.
Top 3. So one of these guys is going to win.
Probably.
And one of these guys is going to lose.
Draw game would be weird.
It would be weird if it didn't happen like that, but that's cool. So
Yeah.
one of these guys will go through to,
So we have. I didn't see the teams.
we have fighters.
We have probably Kyo, Benimaru, and Yuri for General.
Mian probably,
Yeah,
with
Mian.
Nakaruru and
Yeah, and Nakaruru and
Athena. There we go. Look at the prediction skills. If only we could have done that while we were actually playing the matches.
Yeah, we could have, but no.
There we go. So here we go.
White has a great offense.
Mian dive kicks everywhere.
Kyo with the jump down seat.
But he hasn't had a chance to do it yet.
Well,
But they've had a couple of matches in casual, so we'll see if it can pay off a little bit.
they should know each other a little bit.
Yeah.
And if you enjoyed watching Evo last year, has max accusation and big damage.
Big damage.
I can't see how many bars he has, but I think he has none anymore.
Yeah, that's a good point. Bars.
Yeah, I can see the bars.
Yeah, not important, I guess. You know.
Who cares about bars?
Bars.
Speaking of bars,
You know what I mean? Just fight. King.
I think Sindera cannot handle this dive kick.
It's having a little difficulty there. And White Hat has a very substantial life lead.
Yeah. I think also with Kyo it's really hard to deal with. He only has DP as a Ronaldo athlete.
Right.
Yeah, and no fireball. Benimaru can handle this pretty well.
Yeah. Because Benimaru, you know, in the air he's pretty good, pretty fast.
He's just the best in overall. Just like pressure, such cheap pressure.
Away though.
Yeah. So we started that this year.
Oh,
Nice grab.
diving away, of course.
You guys know the dive kicks?
Probably going to do another dive kick.
No.
Oh my god.
Whoa,
Whoa.
nice. Is it the jump CD?
He's got the CD and he's got the overhead.
Isn't it forward C?
It's forward and C, isn't it?
すぐ楽にしてやる
Yeah, yeah.
Confirmation there.
So now we got Yuri.
So we can see now White Hat playing for real. Oh, a little bit of frustration here.
Yeah. DP is your last resort.
Oh, here we go.
No max one.
No max. Weird.
Now we got it. Oh,
Okay, that was
two punches at the same time.
gotta get a macro for that, you know.
Yep. But even a pet player like me, so.
Hey, I got sick.
Practice with pet.
You know, I got a default setting. I use everything.
Yeah, well.
It's improved things since 13.
Shooting was hard.
Hard, man. Oh my god, reversal! And it hits! Could we be looking at a OCV here?
They're pretty even now, but two characters scoring.
Yes, slightly, yeah.
Slightly.
Those dive kicks are
Little dive kicks.
horrible. Can General find a way through?
Doesn't that kick still shoot them? Not sure.
Oh!
Nice fireball
I
there.
think they do chip damage as well. They're actually a
I
special
think
move.
so, yeah.
So it's really horrible, but now
So now we got
we got
Athena.
Way.
So be ready for fireball spam.
Fireball spam and
Fireball spam and
grab.
Yeah.
Oh, he
Here it comes.
we
Here
go.
comes the occasional.
And there it is.
Hey, there it is.
He killed me with that.
Oh, he got the combo.
Oh, he dropped it. Oh, he's
No
dropped it.
perfect.
No perfect.
But still the
Goes
victory
down
for White
fighting.
Ash. 1-0 for V/White Ash.
We're going to psychically change that.
Member select
We'll see how it goes.
I had a good.
We think best of three. Best of three. Best of three.
おとなしくしていれば楽なもの
Best of three.
Two.
Order select
Just good.
Stage select
Move the cameras. so that we can see the bars.
And now we want to see feet.
開始
So can we see the bars?
Probably. Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, it's good. Good. Alright, here we go.
Oh! General switch kill for Leo. Now he's got team top tier. Why then he just doesn't stop with flashing? I think it's going to general attack is Leona's DP hits behind her.
Right, yeah.
That's a really big hitbox. That's right. And this fireball thing.
This as well, yeah.
Yeah. I think he just chose Leona for a big hitbox.
Yeah, and it's a very wise decision. But Leanne's trying to keep away right now.
But it's going better now.
Still making some good choices.
It's still going better for General. Then the lead is going better for his kill.
Oh, yeah. At least if he takes it down some time, he won't get much of a
Nice.
life lead. Now
Punish.
he's got an opportunity for the combo!
The cross undercut. That hit you 13. You cannot say that word.
Oh, it's going to desperation.
He thought he was going to stop perfect, but no.
Good job.
It looks the same as before.
To win.
1 bar for everyone. The White Ash is closer to 2 bars.
You've seen Mian being handled before, but it really is about making that choice.
It's really not easy to do it.
Yeah,
You just gotta wait.
You gotta wait, you gotta make a choice as well. So you're gonna go left, right.
Benimaro. I can feel it.
Yeah, I was about to say, I can feel lots of electricity coming here, that's for sure. Where do you punish there? Oh, don't know.
You just don't punish.
You should be able to be punished there.
I would take Dark Cancel and punish from the back.
That's a smart move.
That's what I do. Leanne's sitting at full melee.
He's very frustrated right now. Oh, wow. It's a connection. And it's far to spend. Yes.
Nice.
Bam.
Should have done a lot of damage. This is one of my favorite supers actually.
Clap.
The last hit kill.
Wow, yeah. Oh, here we go. Catches in front and
Why didn't that
grounds.
connect?
I think she tried to jump.
I think so, yes.
Tried to get away again, but he caught her just before that was happening.
So now, Athena versus Benimaro.
Round 3
Two teams of people. Two teams of people. But Benimaro should be able to
Yeah. It should be, yeah. That big jump is not what you want to do.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
It's big damage. 2 bars.
Oh! What a drop.
They didn't get the EX. That just killed him.
Yeah.
So Athena sitting at 3 bars. What did you
すぐ楽にしてやる。
Some of us need to be lubricated. No.
So Athena sitting at 3 bars. Benimaro is sitting at 2 bars.
Oh, big super.
Nice. They were sitting at 2 bars, so 1 hit killer.
Yeah, 1 hit half kill at least minimum.
Yep, 1 party kill.
Party kill, can he get the party? Oh, the cancel into
nice.
the crowd. And then the crowd
And
beats
another
Mio
grab,
into
and the
lethal.
kill.
Oh my days.
Nice. Very nice combo. It's 2-0 to White Ash.
And the crowd is showing their appreciation for this display of skill. The general has one more chance to turn this
So,
around.
this could be the last game of the winner's finals. The loser of this match is going to play against Alexei, a fellow Luxembourg hero.
The remaining Pillar Man.
The remaining Pillar Man. The last Pillar Man standing. Ultimate Cars. Sound like Nemesis thing.
Yeah, dude.
He's going for Leona again.
Okay.
Oh, he switched Benimaro out for Rio.
Wow.
Interesting
We want
decision.
some anti-airs here.
He just wants the almost safe DP.
Yeah.
But his light DP is pretty hard to punish actually.
Well,
Yuri's Fardy doesn't punish. And if Yuri's Fardy doesn't punish, nothing punishes.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, well, yeah, what range are you doing that at?
すぐ楽にしてや
But
る。
it has a lot of pushback, so lights don't get
Wow,
it.
okay.
And it's pretty fast.
Sounds like 94.
Yeah, 12. Yuri at points. Interesting.
That's it. Not with the YOLO DBs.
Wow.
Look at the combos.
Nice crash rate.
There we
It's
go.
going much better. Was that a cross-up?
Yes.
Kind of. Doing his stuff.
Gets up here. He needs to be the right position. He's down, but it's
Same thing against
White making it. Goes dive
Oh
kick.
my!
Good job.
I'm wondering if White Ash has been holding this back because I didn't see this kind of performance. Casual. It was a really dirty trick, to
It was
be
just
honest.
sandbagging on it.
It's just sandbagging. It was just
sandbagging.
downloading everyone. Really, really horrible.
Oh, Rio's jump CD couldn't work against him, yeah? He has one of the best jump CDs in the game.
Oh, there we go. See what I mean about being in the right position?
And that's half life. Yeah. Pretty much, yeah.
Ha
She only has 150 damage. 150 I think.
Yeah.
That's plus.
There we go. Oh, trying to roll out.
Nice jump CD. Oh, he can parry the jump.
Still got to guess the parry.
Yeah, well,
And that sweep, of course, is messing it up as well.
yeah, definitely. But he's trying.
And he's in the advantage. He could get rid of this piano.
Yeah.
It could be a real big turnaround.
Yeah, he shouldn't get her.
Oh!
Now, safe jump. Yeah, he goes for it.
And that was a... Oh my god, he saw it. Oh!
But he only has 1150 life, so... Yeah. But he has the life.
There's the parry. Oh!
This was a DP, I'm not sure.
Oh! Oh!
Nice. Just chip him up. Try to at least.
Yeah, well, yeah. How to shit?
How to chip? How to chip something you can't even hit on block. Nicely done.
Well done, well
This
done.
gets me out of the way.
That was quite an interesting last second battle there because they were like...
Well, it was just jumping at these.
But he was, but he was trying to bait out that DB as well. And it was like, whoa.
I think White Ash knows what he's doing.
Here we go. Oh, there we go.
This could be big damage. Oh, he dropped
Okay.
it. I think he
Yeah. Oh!
Nice.
Goes to the
This
complete-
is-
oh!
Oh!
What a drop!
This could have been it.
What?
This
Oh,
could have
wow.
been it. I'm waiting for the command.
There it is.
There it is.
Go to the other side. It's the
The
crossover.
reset.
Oh! Nice!
Nicely
comeback.
done. Nice kill. I think Rio is really doing it for him.
But now he has barely any energy left.
Now he has to fight against Nakuru.
Oh, good luck with that.
This is, in my opinion, one of the hardest characters to fight against. And he starts off with good grab.
Yeah.
Good thing. Good thing.
Sending in Mama. Yeah.
Yeah. Sending in my mom. Good thing.
You gotta really,
This is so hard to deal with.
really put yourself in the right position there
Yeah.
and not press the button
Yeah, exactly.
and then manage to pump
Do not press, just wait for it to whip, that's all you can do.
Yeah, that's it. So it's a real test of nerves here.
But Leona at anchor could do something.
Oh, yeah, definitely could.
But it's Leona we're talking about.
Pre-patch the
I'm not sure. 3-3.0.
Yeah, pre-patch. This will be the last chance you
I'm
get
wondering
to see.
why he's not trying to challenge the Brexit. This could be, I don't know. He has the light lead. Is he going for the safe jump? He's not.
Oh! Oh! The mix-ups are in.
He has a big advantage now. I think he should just stay away. Just stay away from him.
Nakuru has 4 bars. It's like,
He has 1 bar. It's enough to kill him from a good hit confirm. That's all he needs.
oh, sweet.
Nicely done.
A little bit more, and we could have a turnaround. Oh, that's
done.
it!
Nice hit confirm.
Now we have 2-1. Which means we have to watch more of this KOF game.
Oh god.
And this is not even the grand finals.
So Gunny, we're not expecting this many people to show up for this tournament in this small country.
No, I was not. I thought it would be a little local event. You know, a couple of lucky Americans.
But why not show them all?
Come down here. It's great.
Asia, Europe,
UK, France, Germany.
yeah, Germany, all of Europe.
Bang.
Nice.
You're
gonna get a
not
save.
doing the work here.
No, I think all Europe is not doing it.
Oh, I got a yellow DP. Everything's so right. Yes.
It's a perfect
Is that a
game.
perfect
It's
game?
perfect.
To win. Perfect
7
game.
golden medals.
Woo!
This is what Mian can do.
それじゃあ始めるぞ
She's pretty underrated character. And it's here, that's not I see her sometimes, but not that much.
To be honest, I think it's a matter of pride. It's like, I don't want to pick dive kick characters, it's just dive kick. Pretty much its own life, so I'll just pick somebody that's Pardee instead. You know? Who does that, right?
I mean, I play Q and Yuri. Who plays Farley?
So it's very bizarre thing,
I think you shouldn't try to enter with normal stand. Or parry. You should just...
controller down, then a DP sailing into the air. Oh, he got it this time.
This could be even. Yeah, it's pretty much even.
Bravo! To get that cross up, unfortunately, that timing was not there.
That was well done.
I know.
It looked like a low profile, but there's no thing it worse.
I know that feeling is just trying to just run, get that little last bit of pressure in, and
And then you whip an EP and you lose.
Oh!
But no good punish on it.
Oh, classic running forward.
Punish it. Because that should throw her, not away from her.
Nice sneak again there.
Again sitting in full bars. This would be great damage if she gets her. This is Prince. The Vincent Jedi Pouncer. The General Pouncer.
Yeah, even that whole. Wait,
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, she's coming in!
Nice. One hit.
This is only
Nice.
one character!
Nice. The down B takes it.
Player 1 wins.
Leona takes it. Now, Leona versus Atuna is pretty easy.
No, I think Leona's better.
Close game. But I think Leona's one of the best characters to deal with. Especially in the command, right?
Look at that.
Yeah, nice damage. And we're even again.
Oh,
Nice
big DP!
People say wake up the Pinto Super is a new move. If it works, it works.
If it works, it works. You've got the guts to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, whoa!
That was... It's 3-1 to White Ash.
There we go. So White Ash goes forward. Congratulations.
White Ash goes forward into the grand finals and General is going to face Alexei.
So, stay there.
You sit down again.
Get comfy. Here comes the Pillar Man.
Here goes one of the Pillar Men. Let's see if you're Joseph Joestar or not. Let's see if you're Caesar or Joseph. Feels bad, man.
No, Batman. No, Batman.
So we're waiting for both of them to get ready. Who's on the right? Alexei. Versus General still.
That's easy to do.
And we should start with 0-0.
0-0 would be good.
Okay, nothing. So, 0-0. What? What happened?
I would personally trim the cameras a little
Member
bit.
select
Well, yeah, I would, but we're professional. We're high-level commentators, and
We can't do everything. No, we gotta focus on the job.
we're commentators. The editor is someone else.
That's right.
This
So
is,
I hope everyone's having a good time here in Luxembourg.
you know the name of the village? Called
Style.
Kopstad.
That's right, we're here in
Well
Kopstad.
Well done. Only people coming to gaming events know this place.
Right, okay.
order select
So we got Kyo, Benny, and Yuri against Kadesh, King, and Machi.
stage select
This will be
Interesting.
interesting.
So who did Alexei put on point? Kadesh probably. He likes his point Kadesh.
燃やしてやるよ
Here we go.
I think.
Battle of the Idols.
Round 1
Wow, fire
Nice.
fist.
Nice Ruckus.
Body shot.
Nice Ruckus again.
Here we go.
Wake up grab.
Down.
blackout for some reason.
Oh, be careful with that.
I love that move. Minus 13. It wasn't over at the approachers. Let's fulfilling his purpose.
Oh, what? The roll behind? He does it again?
Nice. Do that.
Okay.
That's safe. That's
Oh, what?
If it's not safe, make it safe. Nice crusher. Nice
Fire
combo.
is here.
Into the Chinagi.
Not coming.
Well done. Player
Feels
one
like,
wins.
look man, that's my DNA.
Feels like
Do you mind?
you're just a clone.
Just a clone. Stay now, stay now.
Well,
My
now,
DNA.
here comes what?
Here comes the king. We'll see who is the king of fighters.
Please don't.
I have to, man. Okay. If I said Kim, I'd be like, king of fighters.
Oh, good that you have no Kim fight. Kim fight.
Oh, what the? Oh! Oh, here we go.
Confirming, and this is dead. Nicely done.
I think we have a little blast from the audience here.
And they are pretty much even. Just about one board difference.
すぐ楽にしてやる
Now let's see this.
So, King has a good matchup against Yuri.
Yeah.
Yuri has a lot of problems against King, especially because his fireball travels so far.
Yeah.
He has just tornado kick.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, which is one of the best moves.
Great.
Oh,
Oh,
the combo
confirmed.
jump. Just rolling out. Backdash. You should fire more
I was about to
fireballs.
say, there's that tornado kick. I was like, yes.
That was a good whip punish.
There was no whip. Sure. Oh! Oh! In your face!
So, you see,
Free
oh,
kick. Okay, composure, composure.
he should have got that.
Oh,
One more to go.
it's like it's like a killer man who's just been released from the pillar. The pillar. Where am I?
Well
What's
done.
going on?
What is this? Video games?
Video game.
Round
So here comes Mature, my favorite character.
Oh, here we go. Classic move is here.
General, those are the matchup. This could get really
Should know the matchup. We have a mature player. Star,
nice confirm.
Wow, how did that even connect?
But not the optimal combo. Still damage. It's a Yuri.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. It's a super instant cancel.
Oh, no, it's not.
Okay. Saving that meter. He's got his characters.
Frame advantage.
Oh,
Fireball. Nice jump.
Look at that. Oh,
This
my.
is not it. This hits. Nicely done.
Okay then.
It's 1-0 to General now.
Some slight errors in
The gameplay.
in the game. Performance
The
gameplay,
anti-airing.
in the execution.
Yep. The execution was not on point.
I think the nerves may be getting too.
Maybe.
Killer
It's
Man.
losers finals after all.
It
Who
is
wins?
losers final, so
Who wins fights against
Well,
Whitehead?
still
And Whitehead with 50 people last year. I think.
something like that. Yeah.
Here we see the original version.
Trying to take this back.
Oh, no confirm.
No bars. Let's see.
Neutral. I think you can punish this record.
Probably if you're brave enough to get close.
Coming close to Q is not an easy deal. Nice
Oh,
job.
nice cross
Nice.
under. Oh!
Confirm.
Well, he's got no max mode,
And
but
I could see him shaking his head. I think he wanted to confirm.
he's got no max mode anyway. But he could have
That
done
could be
that.
a reason. Oh, he got it confirmed. This is plus on. Oh, he doesn't know. Safe jump.
Safe jump. Of course. At least that's oh my god.
Oh, nice. A full jump in into dash.
Goodbye, clone.
Nice combo.
Player one wins.
Goodbye, cheap Q.
Tan kill.
Edgy Q.
Yeah. Emo kill.
So now we got King against you.
Now King could do yeah, could do the job
I think
against you.
King
Yeah,
is one of the characters who struggle with these
yeah.
in my opinion.
Oh, just avoided that.
Nice backdash. Was it no?
Here we go.
Into max mode. Into super.
It's over.
6 more damage. And does he get the...
Oh my gosh, what
Yes.
is he doing?
Just trying to pick him up. Nice done.
Win.
Well done.
Nice live
The
lead.
safe pressure.
Straight back to full health.
How many bars do they have? 2.5? Yeah. It's 2 to 3. That's not a big difference.
Benny now, of course, doesn't have the fireball, so he's going to be more
He
effective.
could be at the very end. Good thoughts, though. Is he going for the super? Yes, he is.
He wants that king out of the
Look at
way.
that damage. 600 damage. For that.
Oh!
Oh, no big punish.
Yeah. Oh! Big spend. Big punish.
Well, they always say it's not a waste if it kills. Not if it kills you.
Player
That's the problem.
See you next time.
See you next time indeed. There's still 4 matches to go at night.
Round 4. Ready?
So now we got mature against Benny Mars.
There we go. Still need to keep that pressure on. Oh, there's some relief button. Benny Maru now.
It's a safe match. It's plus and minus.
Yeah.
10 of 20.
What are you doing?
Bad super.
Pressing some buttons.
Nice bluffing.
Oh!
Nice confirm. No bars, so he had to do this.
Bars now for sure. There's the crouching seat. Nicely done.
And-
Oh!
Nice anti-air.
That could have confirmed that would have been lovely. Oh no!
No, this is not it. Fireball. I think Alexian should just max out and use Fireball.
That probably would be a good idea.
That's free pressure.
And he doesn't like coaching now. He needs to start doing it. Oh!
Now he's just
Oh! Caught from over the side.
And that's 2-0. But it's not over yet.
かっこつけてる
Is
わけじゃない
Alexian gonna change character?
自然体でいるだけさ
He's touching his chin. It looks like he's thinking about changing characters.
What would be a good counter pick for this team?
Benimaru.
Benimaru, Kyo, Yori.
Benimaru, Kyo, Yori would be the best picks.
Would be a good pick, but can he use these characters? Maybe K-Dash isn't
Oh,
doing
he
so well.
stays.
No, he's like, no.
He stays. I would
K-Dash
have
in my blood.
switched King with K-Dash.
燃やしてやるよ
Ah, order change.
King
Now
has
you
better,
said that.
King has better fireballs.
1
Quicker
If
fireball.
K-Dash makes the right
ボ
choice,
ディがダメ
he could keep Kyo back.
But that's the thing.
It's a mix of, you
K-Dash
know,
has to use the right
up
one.
down, up down.
That's the problem. K-Dash has to pick the right one. He just is the right one.
Okay. Oh, tries to get that
Nice try to end there.
anti-air.
ボディがなくなっちゃって
There's that
Alexian should
blackout.
not respect that. If Kyo uses his Bodiga moves, you could just press up. Just find some block.
Oh, he's got the right guess
That's a
here.
confirm.
Gets the reset. Oh!
So one ball for everything. First confirm. No save. Now he's gonna.
About evens here. It's very dangerous.
Nicely done.
Get
Nice
the corner, but he got out.
Alexei on the offense.
I thought I was going to get more stronger.
下ろしたぜ
Oh! Oh, here he got it.
Nice into super. Nicely done.
Charged it up. Nice.
Nice confirm.
Oh!
こっちだ
We're
Whoa!
about,
No confirm there for the general.
we're about even. Not anymore.
Oh,
Nice.
Oh,
This,
I was gonna say that.
this
Oh,
could
no!
have been it.
Keeping
Use the
defense in
pressure,
there.
use the
Oh, he
pressure.
backs off. He loses that chance.
I think Alex introduces John Sugimo. Not anymore
That
though.
was hot. Player
So now
1
to
wins.
kick.
He had that chance in the corner, but he decided to back off.
Yeah.
He could have been in his favour if the general started jumping against him. But
I think a really underused jump is K-Dash's overhead.
yeah, but isn't that like unsafe? Okay, but his one is like for example, Roberts.
ダメぜ
Pretty safe. That's, he cannot do anything out of it, that's why. Okay. Max Master.
Well, there you go.
Nicely done. He gets Q down without losing any health for the next round. Well, he lost health. King of Fighters, it's done.
Go, yeah.
It's about even, but it's Benimaru, so it's not even.
Bars. Be careful of that cross up.
Yep, Santi, one of the best ones in the whole game. Got the movement here.
Tornado kick. While trying to come in. Oh, there's a cross under. No, doesn't get a punish.
I think Alex introduced Tornado Kick from max range because Benimaru doesn't punish it. Cannot punish it now. It's reliable.
Whoa! kill me either.
He could kill him, but will he? No, he will not. Let's finish the
There it
Nicely
is.
done.
Let's keep it up.
The meteor Jenkins.
Player 1 wins.
I think even if you take roll back,
It wouldn't have been unsafe, but at least it wouldn't have been.
Round 4.
My God, rollies. Invincible for him once. It should have worked.
yeah. Front forward crouch you be, you know, what do you do after that?
Yeah, into like the normal DMG. Into what I said forward, up,
Yeah,
down,
yeah, yeah, yeah. You didn't do that?
We did. We did. That's what I did.
Oh, wow. Talking about. Yeah, okay. Alright.
We have a great understanding of each other.
That's good. Here we go! We got 36 seconds. Mars coming in.
It's about two.
Sure needs to really do something here. And unfortunately, Part D.
This has been
Ah!
good matches to Alex Zane, but it just
A good attempt there from Alex Zane, representing Luxembourg.
so 3-0 for General, 0 for Alex Zane. So White Ash should come up to the stage again.
White Ash is coming on his way.
We're not gonna take any break before, right? No. And did you know this? On Benimaru's jacket it says caution electricity.
Yeah.
I never noticed that.
Yes.
Of course you knew.
Yes.
Okay. We should get a bit closer. A bit closer.
Okay, you want to get
Yes. This looks better.
Okay.
So we are waiting for White Ash to get ready and for Sunjata to continue being ready. No.
Member select.
Do a vertical.
Controller select. Member select.
Finally, we're ready as well.
Oh, we're ready!
Now
We're
we're
ready
ready.
to go!
We're ready for the teams.
The teams. This is grand finals.
This is Grand Final.
This is the grand finals!
This decides the winner. Like most Grand Finals do.
Like most grand finals, one person will win, one person will go home. Are you ready? On YouTube, are you ready? Be like,
Are you ready on YouTube?
YouTube?
開始
The pre-recorded tournament. He's going for Leon again.
Here we go. Okay, so
He's got Rio again, but I think Rio was doing best against me.
yeah, I think he's completely forgotten about this and he just wants to do something else. I don't know.
He just wanted to forget the Mian matches.
Maybe, but maybe he's told himself. I know, I just did something
He
wrong.
has the advantage now.
Maybe he watched some YouTube videos.
Yeah, right now, it's like between the matches.
Yeah.
Fast forward.
It's like, yeah, I know how to beat me up.
How to beat Mian on Google. So it's working better for him now.
And there you go. Look at that cross under.
This works much better right now. So what do you say? Would you be looking forward to a recognition?
No.
More commentating?
No. Not unless it's
Player 1 wins.
Well, didn't see that coming.
Anti-air? Not for you.
No.
And General in the advantage right now.
So like I said, somebody was, yeah, definitely doing some research.
Somebody was looking up matches.
They're like, how do I do this? Hit the books.
The resets.
Asuna is coming on strong.
This,
Oh my
Jesus.
god, what is going on?
This has been a nearly flawless round.
Yeah?
That was
He's
a
like,
total beatdown.
not taking this, man. It's like, you're not doing this to me. You're not doing this to me. I'm an EVO finalist. but in general, it's no slouch either. He's been in the final many tournaments.
France?
Yeah.
I haven't heard about the French community really. I just heard they're hating on King of Fighters Pro.
That's not hating, that's just jibber jabber. Keep themselves busy.
Yeah. Trying to do something with their lives. Yeah, that's like a professional game.
But that's it, you know? What would you do without matching things?
Crazy thing.
Game is great. That's it. So boring.
This game is great. No, it is.
Yeah. Here we go, Benimaru up against it right now.
Benimaru has pretty much got the heat done.
Oh, nice right, Jinken.
That was pretty lucky avoiding the Psycho Ball skill.
Oh, tries the rolling.
That ball.
Anticipate, I think, another Psycho Ball there.
Yes.
What did it go under? And if you like Psycho Balls, you should definitely check out my shop for designs, which
Just selling on our stream.
certainly features some lovely idols which have nothing to do with Asuna whatsoever.
Gunsmith, I think you should stop this selling out.
Chilling.
Selling. Not chilling out, selling out.
Oh,
Nice
full combo!
This is damage. 620 or something?
Asuna is gonna spend some meter.
The 4D takes it.
He ain't gonna do anything right now.
And nearly perfect.
Take a boot in the face.
This Nakarura with 5 bars.
Oh, this could be really bad. Let's see.
I think this is one of the first times we've seen a Nakarura in the finals.
Exactly. Let's see if White is like mad now. Like mad.
He's like really
I'm gonna hurt you, man. I'm gonna use
He was looking forward to losing her in this grand final.
Here we go. He's got his chance now. Here we go. Combos.
This could be big damage.
Shilling Shikling.
No super though.
No, he's saving the leader for the next kill.
Well, the next combo is gonna kill.
Yeah, the general's got 3 bars. Oh no!
It is that.
Wait, this might miss. This might miss.
No,
No, it's not.
he takes it. So this is 1-0 for Wider. Now, to quote Maximum Impact Theory, it can't end like this.
Oh God, no! Why?
Playtime's over.
Oh God.
Disgusting. There's just some things that shouldn't be dubbed.
This isn't the end, you know.
Here's the burn. This works pretty well in Space Invaders.
Right, let's say if we've got to change these battle plans here. How are you going to punish that? Okay. Oh, there we go. That's
Nice. The whip punish.
Input cancel.
Half life. Nicely done.
Found there. See that? You got eagle eyes, right? Rihanna's like, I'm changing it. Definitely changing it up. But you've still got the idea.
But he gets the Jim Tree.
Oh, that's sweetie
Oh, here comes the pressure. This I don't think a guard cancel reversal would have been worth it.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You can kind of charge. Hajime will roll.
2. Do what?
I don't know, crouch to beat something. Oh, look at that cross under.
Oh, he
done.
He should do super. Nicely done.
Bam!
Safe jump.
Electrifying.
Well, he just knows that nothing can stop him.
Oh, the
Nicely
interruption! I only normally see that from a level 5 CPU.
Do you think it's a read? Or was it an option? This, if the guard string is tight, it doesn't come out.
I wouldn't know, man.
I am just a simple commentator.
That's a lot of butt pressing and stuff. That's pretty bam!
Nice combo again.
Bam! Will we see the bam this time? Here? Nope.
Nope, it's not the level 2. And the activation.
Here we go. Oh, he escaped the
The
grab!
command grab.
That normally would have hit the amp, but she was just diving out of the way. She wants to make a clean win here. There we go.
It just doesn't work against me. Even Benimaru doesn't work. So what works?
AIG, if you can get the right way.
Nicely done.
Just going to make the right guess. She doesn't even want to get that tick damage. She's coming in for the kill.
Oh, this
And
kill.
there it is.
Nicely done.
Player 2 wins.
That was pressure.
Pressure indeed.
I think Benny should get his TP back. Backflip.
That would happen.
That would be very fair.
That'd be very fair. Yeah, he would definitely be a low-tier character.
Yeah. Would have something to match. Just a little bit.
You see here, it's like,
This could be.
If you get the right place, you can outkick her. If you don't, you're getting booed in the face.
The problem is, yes.
Oh! You see there?
The anti-air invincible DP.
All the other times you were doing a
You'll
YOLO
be here
into
to
the
laugh.
air. This time, bam!
This time, you will not get it.
Now we've got to get past that tonight. Here we go.
Did you know there's a thing called the Luxembourg strap?
No, what's that?
Luxembourg strap is a random DP in the super.
Okay.
That's what we call it.
Okay.
The Germans started calling it that way, so we kept it.
Okay. We'll see one here. Nice. Oh,
Nice
this hit.
command grab.
Bam.
Is she gonna go into super? Safe jump. Safe run.
Peachy.
Oh, no! Punish it.
That
Nice
is
punish.
gonna be it.
That was not a punish. It was a counter hit. That's weird.
Well spotted there.
A pro commentator. So, here we go for the last match. No changes on
What do
general.
you mean last match?
Last match for
For
now, for the next 2 minutes.
For next 2 minutes. It might not be.
It might not be.
We'll see.
That's like the next 2 minutes.
So here we go again with Leona.
And the thrust.
There's the yes, good yes.
I think this is the best move you can use against it. Ooh, big damage.
On it. You expect to be repeated though. Oh, but this
Nice
time.
combo.
Oh,
Nice
connection.
confirm into super. Weird. Switch run.
Right, see there, a good jump there. And a nice one
This
there.
could be-
Oh,
no.
drops the combo.
Nice grab.
White Ash taking advantage.
Plus frame. I think General should go back to using that fireball. That was doing it for him.
It's all the mix-up, isn't it? And White Ash doesn't look like he wants to attack, but you know.
Nicely done. Nice jump D.
Player
But
one
White Ash had to
wins.
go in. He's in a disadvantage.
But also, yeah, he could have just drained down time.
Exactly.
Get off the life lead.
And it's not like Leon has problems with doing that.
Oh,
Will we see a
the
command
mix-up.
grab?
Yes.
Nice deep. And another
that
EX
jump.
cycle ball. Over Nash. Plus frame.
Thinking about how
Nice plus cancel roll.
Beating plus. Oh, that was a nice idea. See that?
Nice
hop
hop.
open. That's what you want to be doing with those cycle balls. You don't want to be making those big jumps. Oh!
Definitely didn't want to jump over.
Bam!
Nice damage.
You win. Player
So
2
now we have
wins.
Vinny Moore against Athena.
Okay, this is okay. Normally, this is okay. Normally, we haven't had this matchup because we had just killing off everyone.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Nice jump. Nice decision.
Oh, can we get through there? Oh,
Bad
good rollback.
Not a good decision.
Reset.
Nice reset.
Are we going to see some charging? Okay. I don't think it is, but the thing is, so many people just watch.
Yeah.
And he just charges that. Yeah, because Bill Davino with that grab. He's like, what are you doing?
His commander looks like anything but a friend.
And Benny Mara normally does the same thing.
Almost even.
Oh, there we
Nice
go.
command grab. Will he get to the
Safe
corner?
jump. Oh, what?
Oh, what? No confirm. Is it their advantage? So stay back.
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
What?
Player one wins.
So now we got Benny Morrow against Nakamura.
いくよ
I think this is one of the first.
Round four.
I think this is one of the first times we've seen Sojara. General, sorry. That's his GSM name.
Okay, right. Yeah, well. Oh! Oh, wow! YOLO TV!
Legit perfect.
Player 2 wins. Perfect game.
Now, this could be General's last round in the tournament. And also one last.
It could be indeed.
Just the last. This could be the last round in the tournament. Of course, the last round of the tournament. Of course. We could still get the bracket reset.
Could be a bracket reset.
Nothing is impossible.
Nothing is impossible.
Except Pine and Great in Grand Finals.
Except Heiny. Oh, wow.
I think this is looking like a beatdown right now.
General's sitting on 3 bars. He does a lot of damage. He needs to find that little gap in
One
there.
party could make it even again.
Oh, wow. Crash, he's not having it. Going into max mode. Could be completely, yeah. Exactly do that. And that's it!
This
We have a
concludes.
winner! White Ash!
This concludes Grand Finals.
あなたの炎は憎しみにとらわれているの
White Ash takes it in a pretty convincing Grand Finals, if I may say so. In a pretty convincing run overall. I don't think he lost a single match, except in winners' finals against General.
I beat him. At least one round.
One round with a match.
Anyway, so I'd just like to thank all the participants for playing King of Fighters.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations to our champion and to everyone who played. Thank you all
Now,
so much.
I will ask the top 3 to come on the stage.
No.
No?
We'll do the winners ceremony after the Tekken finals.
Okay, we will first have the Tekken finals, so winners finals, losers finals, grand finals, and then we'll have the winners ceremonies, both after one another. So I will ask the winners to leave the stage.
Thanks for coming. Now
Thanks
get
for
off
coming.
the
Now get-
stage.
Out, please.
Yeah.
Okay, so this has been Gunsmith from OrichinArchy.com, you know, and my
This has been-
co-host.
Super Nearly from East London Fighters.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, we'll see you next week at Brussels Challenge. Or will we?